Hey there guys and gals, I just wanted to go through and talk to you about Simthread and kind of show you what comes in the box. So what I've got here is a 63 count box of Simthread, just their general embroidery thread. It does come with a 63 Brother color chart. That way you can tell what colors that Brother has put on their designs and you can match it up with your Simthread. That way you can save money and time. There also comes with the package some tearaway stabilizer, a pretty good sized piece of that. And there's usually a few little nets to put over the thread, and also some bobbins, a couple pre-wound and sometimes empty ones. I went ahead and took the thread and set it out in color groups. That way you can see all the different colors that come in the 63 count box. We'll start with your kind of neutral colors. And then there's a ton of greens. I think there was 9 we counted. The blues, they're absolutely gorgeous. Then you have reds there in the back that goes from pink to red, which some of the light pinks in the neutrals. And then the oranges. I mean, you got 5 oranges. That's crazy. And then the browns, there was a dozen different shades of brown, which is great for fall time and all those different natural stuff that you're trying to do. Make a butterfly look like a butterfly, a tree to look like a tree. And then the purples. Look at those purples. They are absolutely beautiful. And then you have yellows. We also have a lot of dark shades. It goes gray to dark gray all the way to your black color. So there is a ginormous amount of shades of colors that come in this 63 count. You could do anything that you would want to do with it. I had used this one right here, and it is number 348, and I had used that on something today and posted it on Facebook, and they asked me if I'd use metallic thread because the shine was just wonderful. So I do highly recommend this thread. It works great with my Brother machine. I've had no shreds, I've had no breaks, nothing, and I use a standard 7511 needle for everything. I also bought the box of 6 of the variegated threads, and they work wonderful too. And I like the colors. This one is greens, so it goes from light to dark shade. We have the pink that goes from a light pink to a dark pink. The blues that would look awesome with an ocean. All the different shades from light to dark. We have a brown that kind of goes from almost a white to a brown. And I love this one. It's a white to purple. And then you have the dark purples. So it goes from a medium to a dark purple. And then the other day I actually purchased the glow-in-the-dark threads. So check out those colors. And they do glow in the dark. I posted a picture on Simthread on Facebook on how well they glow in the dark. I had done the jellyfish, and it looked wonderful. And these colors show wonderful with this color, so you could match it to any design that you're wanting to do. And then the glow, in my opinion, is just kind of a normal iridescent type yellow on all of them. But it's wonderful thread, worked great. Y'all have a great day. Bye.